Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will learn how to make a neon lighting logo animation like this. To do this animation you must have Sabre plugin. I have given the download link in the description below. Open After Effect and make a new composition. Create a new solid background. Duplicate the background layer by clicking CTRL D. Select the duplicate layer and go to Effect and Presets bar and search for CC Particle System 2 and double-click on it. Go to 2 seconds forward, you will see the particle. Go to Physics and select the animation to direction. Make gravity 0%, make the velocity 0.50%. Make the birth rate 2.00%. Go to Producer and make the radius X 100% and radius Y 100%. Go to Particle and make the particle type faded sphere. Make the birth size 0.10%, make the depth size 0.10%. Now change the particle color to deep orange so that it looks like fire particle. Make a duplicate copy of the particle layer and do the same thing as like I am doing. Import your logo. Press S for scaling the size. Select the logo and pre-compose it, name it Logo Animation and click on Move All Attributes. Select the logo animation layer and go to Layer, and select Auto Trace. To see the toggle mask, click on this. Go to Effect and Presets and search for Sabre. Double-click on Sabre. Go to Customize Core and select Layer Mask. Go to Render Setting and make the composite setting to transparent. Go to Core and make it 1.00% or as you like. Select the preset to Arc Reactor. Change the glow intensity, glow spread and glow bias as per your wish. Turn the key to first frame. And go to an offset, make it 0%, then go 2 seconds forward and make it 50%. Now it looks like this. Select the logo animation layer and duplicate it by pressing CTRL D. Go to Sabre Preset and select Kryptonite. Make the mask evolution 180 degree. Now it looks like this. Go to Distortion and select Core Distortion and make the distortion amount 7%. Select the core size to 1.00%. Change the color as you wish. Now it looks good. Change the color as you wish. Now it looks good. Change the mask evolution as your wish. Select the first layer and duplicate it by pressing CTRL+V. Now select the saber and delete it. Now it will show your original logo. Now go to Effect and Presets and search for Venetian blinds and double-click on it. Go to 2 seconds and make the transition completion to 100%. And go 1 second forward and make it 0%. Make the direction 45 degrees. Also make the width to 10%. Now go to 2 seconds and select the second logo animation layer and click on the point of core size. Go to third layer and do the same. Now go to 1 second forward and make both the second and third layer core size to 0%. Select all the 3 layers except background and particle layer and press U. Mark all the anchor points and right-click on the mouse. Select Keyframe Assistant and select Easy Ease. Now select all the 3 layers and pre-compose it and name it Logo Animation. Select the layer and go to 3 seconds and press S and click on the clock. Slow press R and click on the clock. Go to the first frame and press make the rotation -45 degree and press S, make the scale to 250%. Now preview it. It looks perfect. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon to get update. Stay home and stay safe.